Hey, good morning. I'm Johnny. Welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, click that button down below and subscribe. So today, I'm hiking back up Gregory Ridge up to Doe Knob. So I've got to hike all this again to get 2 Mile Doe Knob. But gotta have it for my map. I was up here last weekend, stayed the night at campsite 13, and didn't sleep very well. It got down into the 20s that night, and woke up really cold and didn't feel good. Head stopped up, so hiked down Gregory Ridge and back up. And by the time I got back to Gregory's Bald, I didn't feel like doing Doe Knob, so that's why I'm out today. A little different scenery today than last weekend. Last weekend we had sunny temperatures, warm, and today there's a light dusting on the trees. If you didn't see my Easter sunrise video, I'll put a link to it right up here in the corner, so check that out. The cameras I use, I have 4 GoPros. I also have a Canon SX40 that's also 1080 by 60. I also use my iPhone 8 in 1080 or 4K by 60. I use my cell phone a lot for a lot of my B-roll film. I think it makes the B-roll shots look really good. So there you have it. If you're not a friend of Hiking the Smokies on Facebook, definitely check out that group. That's a group of dedicated hikers that absolutely love the Smoky Mountains. So check out that group, leave a comment, and tell everybody hello. Campsite 12. Looks like there's another ring right back in there. Anyway, campsite 12. And my glove just fell off the log. This right here is the last known water source between here and Gregory's Bald. And I know this because I hiked this last weekend and I filled up the water bottles here. So I'm getting a little higher up in elevation. It's getting a little foggier. Several inches of snow on the ground. So this is the infamous Doe Knob Trail. It is April the 8th. Still trekking along Doe Knob. About a mile into it, mile to go.
No snow on the trail. I think it's just because it doesn't have all that brush and stuff on it.
We've all had the crap kicked out of us today. Another obstacle in the Smoky Mountains is falling snowballs and ice. I'm sure we'll have bruises and scratches to prove it. And welcome to the Hippie Highway, also known as the Appalachian Trail.
Hey guys, we're here at the intersection of the Appalachian Trail and Gregory Ridge Trail here at Doe Knob. We just met a through hiker.
Hi,
Gonna
I'm Sublime.
introduce you to him. He's heading to Maine. He's how many days in?
I think 16 or 17.
16 or 17 days in, and stayed at Fontana Hilton last night.
Took a 0, didn't have to be out here in this lovely snow last night.
And now he's headed onward today. So we have some snow up here. We're kind of getting pounded with ice coming down.
Yeah,
Ice.
trees shedding their layer.
Yeah, we're getting hit in the head and the back and all that, so it's fun. See y'all later. Bye.
Bye.
Ready? Okay. Oh, really cute.
Love you, baby.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye. See you on the other side. Literally.
Yep.
Way over there in the distance is Cade's Cove. All right, I'm about at the end of Gregory Ridge Trail and spent a fun day of getting one more snow hike in this season. As always, I'll leave a trail report in the description from my point of view. And if you like my videos and my content, click that like and subscribe button below and show me some love. And I'm gonna keep making videos just like this. The end of the trail. Happy trails to you.